Japanese SUVs used to mean reliable, boring transportation that parents bought because minivans were uncool and sedans lacked cargo space. Underpowered four-cylinders struggling to merge onto highways. 0 to 60 times measured with calendars instead of stopwatches. Handling dynamics that make grocery runs feel like punishment. That era is dead. In 2026, Japanese manufacturers are building turbocharged SUVs that hit 60 miles per hour faster than V8 muscle cars from a decade ago, all while maintaining the reliability that built their reputations and delivering fuel economy that makes sense in real-world conditions. We're not talking about minor improvements. We're talking about complete transformation, where family haulers accelerate like sports sedans and handle corners with composure that defies physics and curb weight. 6 specific models represent peak Japanese turbocharged engineering in SUV form, delivering performance that embarrasses German competitors, costing $20,000 more. Some are mainstream vehicles that shock everyone with updated powertrains. Others are performance variants nobody saw coming. Let me show you the turbocharged Japanese SUVs rewriting performance expectations. Subscribe to Car Care Nest and enable notifications right now, because we're documenting the Japanese SUV performance revolution that's delivering supercar acceleration in family-friendly packages, and these numbers are legitimately shocking. Number 1. Mazda CX-90 PHEV 2024-2026. The CX-90 plug-in hybrid combines 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with electric motor making combined 323 horsepower. 0 to 60 happens in 5.2 seconds, faster than Mazda 3 Turbo despite weighing 900 pounds more. The electric motor provides instant torque-filling turbo lag completely. All-wheel drive is standard with torque vectoring improving corner entry. Real-world fuel economy averages 32 combined when battery stays charged. Pricing starts $48,000. The chassis development is exceptional. Mazda tuned suspension for engagement instead of isolation. A journalist documented the CX-90 PHEV matching Audi Q7 acceleration while costing $15,000 less and delivering better fuel economy. This is family hauler that accidentally became performance vehicle through intelligent powertrain integration. Number 2. Honda Pilot Trail Sport 2023-2026. The third-generation Pilot with 3.5-liter turbocharged V6 makes 285 horsepower and hits 60 in 6.1 seconds. That's half-second quicker than outgoing naturally aspirated V6 despite identical power, because turbo provides superior torque curve. The 10-speed automatic keeps engine in power band effectively. All-wheel drive with torque vectoring creates corner stability previous generations couldn't approach. Trail Sport models get upgraded suspension with better damping. Real-world fuel economy averages 24 combined. Pricing starts $48,000. A family operates a 2024 Trail Sport with 37,000 miles, reporting it feels quicker than wife's Acura MDX despite identical powertrains, because Honda tuned throttle response more aggressively. This is mainstream 3-row delivering performance without compromising practicality. Number 3. Lexus TX500F Sport 2024-2026. The TX500 pairs 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with electric motor making combined 366 horsepower. 0 to 60 happens in 5.7 seconds, faster than RX 350 despite being larger. The hybrid system provides seamless power delivery with electric motor eliminating turbo lag perception. All-wheel drive is standard with intelligent torque distribution. F-Sport models get adaptive suspension with multiple drive modes, dramatically changing character. Real-world fuel economy averages 30 combined. Pricing starts $68,000. Interior quality is exceptional with hand-stitched leather and real wood trim. A specialist documented the TX500H out-accelerating BMW X5 xDrive 40i to 60 despite costing $10,000 less. This is Lexus proving hybrid performance and luxury aren't compromises when engineered correctly. Number 4. Subaru Ascent Onyx Edition XT 2019-2026. The Ascent with 2.4-liter turbocharged Boxer 4 makes 260 horsepower and hits 60 in 6.4 seconds. That's impressive for 3-row SUV weighing 4,600 pounds. The symmetrical all-wheel drive provides traction advantages competitors can't match in adverse conditions. Real-world fuel economy averages 23 combined. Pricing starts $42,000. The Boxer engine layout creates lower center of gravity, improving handling. A ski instructor operates a 2021 Ascent with 68,000 miles through Colorado winters, reporting it outperforms X5s and Glade-class vehicles in snow because all-wheel drive system is superior despite less power. This is practical family hauler that happens to be quickest option when weather turns bad. Number 5. Mazda CX-50 2.5 Turbo 2023-2026. The CX-50 with 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder makes 256 horsepower and hits 60 in 6.2 seconds. That's hot hatch territory from compact crossover. The turbo provides strong mid-range torque, making highway passing effortless. All-wheel drive is standard with GVC plus torque vectoring, improving corner stability. The chassis is brilliantly developed. Mazda tuned suspension for engagement with controlled body roll and communicative steering. Real-world fuel economy averages 26 combined. Pricing starts $39,000. An enthusiast documented his CX-50 Turbo matching RX acceleration despite being crossover. The driving dynamics are exceptional for segment. This feels like lifted Mazda 3 Turbo instead of typical crossover. It's proof practical, doesn't mean boring. Number 6. Acura MDX Type S 2022-2026. The MDX Type S resurrects Acura's performance sub-brand with 3 0-liter turbocharged V6 making 355 horsepower. 0 to 60 happens in 5.4 seconds. Supercar territory from 3-row family hauler that's quicker than Audi SQ5 despite being larger. The Turbo V6 provides smooth power delivery with strong top-end pull. Super handling all-wheel drive uses torque vectoring, creating corner speeds that defy curb weight. Adaptive suspension with multiple modes dramatically changes character. Real-world fuel economy averages 21 combined. Pricing starts $68,000. A track instructor documented MDX Type S lapping faster than X5 M50i because chassis development was superior despite 50 horsepower disadvantage. This is Acura proving they can build legitimate performance vehicles. The 2026 Japanese SUV landscape proves that turbocharged powertrains deliver performance previously reserved for sports sedans while maintaining practicality families actually need. These 6 vehicles represent fundamental shift in how manufacturers approach SUV development. Performance and efficiency aren't compromises anymore when turbocharging and hybrid technology combine intelligently. 0 to 60 times under 6 seconds from 3-row vehicles carrying 7 passengers seemed impossible 5 years ago. Now it's standard equipment from mainstream manufacturers charging reasonable prices. The reliability that built Japanese reputations remains intact. These turbocharged engines use conservative tuning and generous cooling, preventing failures plaguing European competitors. When you're shopping for quick SUV, test drive these Japanese options before committing to German alternatives costing $20,000 more with questionable reliability. Subscribe to Car Care Nest because we're documenting the performance revolution transforming family transportation from boring necessity to genuinely engaging driving experience. Buy what delivers actual performance with proven reliability instead of marketing promises backed by expensive repair histories.